Hello everyone, in this video I will explain how to complete your assignments from number 2 to number 8. In this video I won't explain how to complete assignment number 1 because that is pretty simple. You only need to send an email to the professor explaining why did you pick your major in LaGuardia, and that will be the completion of the assignment number 1. So now let's begin with assignment number 2. For the second assignment, you need to open your portfolio, and then it will take you by default in your About Me page. You need to scroll down and then you will see About Me statement. Then you need to click the pen icon over here. Then you will always see a brown box in every single assignment, so you can just click this 4 square box and then it will hide. Also, the brown box is to give you an idea how can you complete that assignment. So now, if you want to erase whatever you see in these boxes, you can just select everything and delete it. And then you can start typing. For this assignment, the first paragraph, you will need to explain something about your background, your hobbies. You can share everything that you want in the first paragraph. For the second paragraph, you need to explain why did you pick your major and LaGuardia, which basically is the same thing as assignment number 1. For the third paragraph, you need to type what are your short and long-term goals. Once you complete it, then you need to upload a picture of yourself. So you can just click in the pen icon over here and then replace this item, then upload file, and then you click select files to upload. Once you click it, you can select any picture that you have in your computer or the device that you're using. And then once you select it, then you will see the upload button over here, so you can just click it and then it will take probably 1 minute to upload it. Once you do that, you go to the top and you click the 3 horizontal lines. If I'm going too fast, remember, you can pause this video and go back and forth. So now you click the 3 horizontal lines, then you click Publish Pages, and then finally Publish. Every time that you complete an assignment or if you modify something, remember you need to click Publish Pages because your work will be saved in the portfolio. If you don't click it, once you click the X icon over here, once you close this page, every single thing that you type is gonna be erased. So the assignment is pretty simple, as I said, 3 paragraphs, post a picture. Once you finish it, you need to copy this link. Then you go to Blackboard, and in Blackboard for this class, you will see the green box over here in this section in the left side. So you can click assignment and then you will see a list of assignments that you need to complete it. As you can see here in the title About Me, you need to upload the link of the About Me page of your portfolio. So you just click About Me and scroll down. Then you click Write Submission. Here you're gonna upload or you're gonna copy first this link of your About Me page. You copy, then you go back over here and then you paste it, and finally you click Submit. So for the assignment number 3, you will need to complete the Understanding Myself page and the Career Planning page. So now you need to place the cursor in Planning for Success and then click Understanding Myself. You will see a similar page. You scroll down and then you will see My Goals. So what you need to do here is you need to pick the best option for you. So in this case I chose transfer to a senior college. You can pick any other options. Then you scroll down and then you will see My Values. You will need to do the same thing. You need to pick 5 values. So I'm gonna click here and then select an option. I click it, and then I pick one of these options. For this example, I will pick the first one. For value number 2, you will have to click again the red box and then continue pick another value. Value number 3, same thing, and continue. Value number 4. And there you go, I have my 5 values. Then I scroll down and I do the same thing for my skills. You select an option, you complete all 5 boxes, scroll down, my strengths, you click here, and you select 5 strengths. So you need to complete every single box for these 3 sections: values, skills, and strengths. You keep scrolling down and then you will see understanding my self-reflection. In this section, you click the pen icon and then you will see the prompt. You will see what can you do in this box. You have questions. You have 3 questions that you can answer as a reflection in this box. So you can select every single thing here and delete it. And then you start answering those questions as a reflection or just as an answer. It doesn't really matter. Also, you can answer this reflection by talking about 1 value, 1 skills, and 1 strength. So there are different ways that you can complete this assignment. Remember, for the reflection you need to answer either the 3 questions or talk about these values, skills, and strengths. The reflection is so much important for this assignment. So now the second activity is career planning. So you go to planning for success, then career planning, and finally career assessment and exploration. You click it. Once you're here, you will see a similar page, so you scroll down. Until you see assessment reflection, and also you will see personality type. So what you need to do here, you're going to stop right here, you're going to open a new page, a Google page, and then you type 16 personalities test, and then you press enter. Pick the first option and then take the test. You will need to answer these questions. Once you answer all of them, you will have a summary and also what personality test fits every single aspect of yourself. So you can just pick any of these options until you complete all the tests. Once you complete it, you will have a 4 letters code, which is your personality type. As an example, you can see here, one of my students completed and she got this code, ESFJ. So what you need to do is a similar thing. Once you complete it, you need to take a screenshot of your results. You take a screenshot of your results and then you post it here. And also you are gonna select the specific code. In this case, ESFJ. I'm gonna find it here by clicking the red box, and then I look for that specific code, which is here. Finally, you will need to make a reflection, so you can click the pen icon over here and answer the reflection by reading these 3 questions, or you can talk about based on the results that you have. So let's say in this case you have mind 57% extroverted, and then for energy 53% observant, and you can discuss about it if you agree or disagree in this reflection. So you have 2 ways: answering these 3 questions or discussing about your results. Once you complete it, that will be the completion of this assignment. Remember, you post the code, the reflection, and the screenshot. And also you complete understanding myself that we did it at the beginning. For assignment number 4, we will complete the scavenger hunt, or called as well as co-curricular number 1. And also we will do degree planning and post that course selection sheet. So first of all, we're gonna go to college connections and then college resources. So you click it. Once you click college resources, you will see this page. So you scroll down and you need to complete the academic success and the health and well-being section by answering these questions, especially office name and office location. Sometimes you won't find the staff person, but you can find it right over there. So how can you do that? Just open a new wall page, and the way that you can find the answer of this question is focus on the keywords of every single question. So for example, it says I need help with my e-portfolio assignments or my FYS class. Where can I go for help? So I can select e-portfolio and FYS as a keyword. So I'm gonna type that, e-portfolio, FYS, LaGuardia. Then I press enter, and then you can just select either the first or the second link. So I'm gonna start with the first link. So as you can see here, the FYS lab is located in C447. So I'm gonna copy this, and then I go to this box and I type the pen icon, I click it, and then I change, or in this case type it. For the office name, go back to that page and you can see that the office is called First Year Seminar Lab. So you just copy and then you go back over here and you just paste it. You will do the same thing for every single box for the academic success and health and well-being section. So don't worry about co-curricular experience and other sections, just do the first two. Once you complete it, you scroll up and then you will see college resources reflection. So what you have to do is click the pen icon and then you will see 4 questions. So you can answer these 4 questions as your reflection. You can answer every single one or just as an entire text. And for example, for question number 2, it says, if you were able to visit these offices, what was your experience? So even though you are doing it virtually, just talk about how do you see their websites. Is something that you like it? Is something that you find it useful? So you can just discuss about it here. So you answer those 4 questions in this section. Also, you can just discuss about your experience for every single office that you find during this scavenger hunt. Once you complete this reflection, you need to copy this link over here in the top of your screen. You copy and then you go to Blackboard, and in assignments you will see co-curricular reflection number 1. So you click it and then you click write submission, and then you paste the link of college resources of this page, and then you click submit. So now that is for activity number 1. Then the activity number 2 is degree planning. So we're gonna go to planning for success and then they click degree planning. Once you're here, you will see a similar page as well, and you scroll down until you see this box, major, total credits for degrees, semester 1, semester 2. So probably you're gonna see these boxes empty. So what you're gonna do is, for major, you're gonna type your major. In this case, I use an example, accounting. Then you type the total of credits that you will get at the end of the semester. So let's say that I'm gonna take 4 classes with 3 credits each one. So at the end I will have 12 credits. So for these boxes you will need to complete session 1 and session 2. Session 1 is basically the regular classes, which last normally 3 to 4 months. For the fall semester is from September to December, and for session number 2 lasts 1.5 months. So for the fall semester is from January to February, and you need to complete the title of the course and the number of credits. In this case, as you can see here, I chose as an example English 101, Math 115, first year seminar, and I typed the number of credits. You will do the same thing for the next semester for the spring 2021. How can you change the title? You can just click the year icon over here, and then you click module options, and then you can just type semester 2 spring 2021. Once you type it, it's gonna be saved temporarily. You just click the X icon over here, then you can just click these 3 horizontal lines and publish pages. So you can either click it now, or you can do it after we upload that course selection sheet. So I'm going to show you how you do it. You're going to go to Blackboard, and then you go to Content. In Content you go to Degree Planning, and then Course Selection Sheet, and then you will download that file. In class, the professor in the lecture class, she explained how to do it. She explained it. So what you're gonna do is go back to your portfolio, and that page will look something like this. So as you can see here, you will need to complete every single box in this course selection sheet. Once you complete it, you save it in your computer, and then you will upload it here. So you're gonna click this plus icon, and then you scroll down and click upload file. Then you select the file, once you select it, you click upload, and then you wait. It's gonna take probably 1 minute until you see it, and you need to wait before you publish it. So once you see it, you can publish with these 2 boxes completed, and also this little box. So this is for degree planning, so I'm gonna click publish pages. And to wrap up, the assignment number 4 is the co-curricular reflection, or the scavenger hunt, and then post the link in Blackboard, and also complete the degree planning by uploading your course selection sheet and completing these 2 boxes. For assignment number 5, we will complete career planning and take the assessment test. So first you need to go to Planning for Success and Career Planning, and finally click Career Assessment and Exploration. You click it. So you scroll down, and in this section we already completed the assessment reflection and the personality type test, the 16 personality type test. You posted a screenshot as well in this section. So we did this in class number 3. So you can need to keep scrolling down, and we will have as an assignment to complete Career Choice 1, Career Choice 2, and Career Choice 3. So how? You need to go back in this section over here. So you need to keep scrolling up until you see Take Career Assessment. Where it's placed is above the assessment reflection. So you will see Take Career Assessment. So you click it. Once you click it, it will take you to this page. Then you click take the assessment, and then you need to pick detailed assessment, 60 questions. So you click it, and then you will need to answer every single questions, and you will have your results at the end. So once you finish your assessment test, you will see 3 different topics, and I need you to take a picture of this section or take a screenshot and then upload it in your portfolio. I will show you later, so just give me a second. I need you to focus then now here in this section. So you will have to click download for results. So you click it, and then you can save it as a PDF. While you have it, you can upload it in your portfolio as well. So you're gonna need both the screenshot and the PDF. So I'm gonna go over here to my portfolio. I'm gonna scroll down, and in career choice, I'm gonna click this icon, and then I scroll down, and then I click upload file, and then I will upload the picture and the PDF file here. And then you click upload, and then it will show you at the bottom of this page. So in this section I posted a random file to prove that once you upload it, it will show you at the bottom of the page. So now, once you posted the screenshot and the PDF file in your portfolio, what you need to do is complete these 3 boxes. So how can you do that? So let me go back to this assessment test. Remember, make sure that you post the PDF and the screenshot, so we, the professor and I, will know that you are using that result to complete this assignment. So in this case, the assessment test shows me that my answers can be related with marketing, finance, and business. So based on this, you will need to look for 3 different measures that are related, one for marketing, and one for finance, and one for business management and administration. Why are you doing this? Because this is gonna give you an idea of what other careers you can also succeed. So now, in this case for marketing, I'm gonna choose career choice number 1. For career choice number 2, I'm gonna use finance, and for career choice number 3, business management and administration. So for the box number 1, you need to make a small reflection, or you can answer these questions over here in this box. It's so much better and so much easier if you just answer these questions. So you don't need to answer all these 9 questions, but at least 7 questions. So remember, at least 7 questions you can answer. So let's say for number 1, what is a typical day like for someone in that occupation? So for finance, remember, we choose career choice number 1 for finance. Marketing. So I need you to open this page. So you can just copy this link, www.bls.gov/data/, and once you're here, you can just type marketing in this search box. So then you type enter, and then you pick any of these options. So I'm gonna choose the first one, and once I click it, I need to answer these questions. So remember, what is a typical day like for somebody who is in marketing? So I'm gonna go back to this page, and if you click what they do, you see what are the duties, what they do in a day. So you can just pick 3 or probably 2 of these sentences and just copy and then paste it in that box. So let me go back over here. So I'm gonna click the pen icon, and then I'm gonna delete every single thing. Once I deleted every single thing, I'm gonna type 1, and then I answer it by copying and pasting that information that I got from this page. You will repeat the same process with the other questions until you complete at least 7 answers. Once you do that, you will go to the second box and do the same procedure. You answer 7 questions based on this, in this case, finance. Then you answer 7 questions, in this case, for this example, business. You also need to change the title of this page because I don't know exactly what is the major that you are choosing as career choice 1, 2, and 3. So you can just click the year icon. And remember, always is the same thing. You want to change the title of something, just click the year icon. And then module options. You select everything. And then I'm gonna type marketing in this case. And there you go. You will repeat the same procedure for the other boxes. And finally, although this is not part of the assignment, I need to show you how you need to upload the assignments of the lecture, because the professor needs the link of every single assignment that you have completed. So if I go back to the Blackboard page, you need to upload the reflection number 1 and research summary number 1. So how can you do it? How can you post these 3 assignments in a page in your portfolio? So you go to courseware, and then for your seminar you will see assignment by default. You won't see research summary number 1. I'm going to show you how can you create a page. So you can upload that assignment, the first assignment, which is reflection number 1. You can post it in assignment. For the other assignment, which is research summary number 1, you need to create a page. So how can you create a page? So you need to click that log icon over here. You click it, and then now it's unlocked. Then you click the pen icon over here, and then it will show you every single page that you have in your portfolio. At the beginning you have about me, then understanding myself, career planning. So far we did these pages. So I need you to scroll down slowly until you see assignment. You need to look for the title assignment. So I found it. It's after time management. So in assignment, you need to click it, and then when you see that it's blinking, you press enter, and then it will create a new page. Once you have a new page, you need to name it. In this case, you can name it research summary. So I already created research summary number 1, so you can just do the same thing. In this case, I'm gonna create research summary number 2. Once you create this page, you need to click save it. So you click save, and then when you go to coursework, you will see that page, coursework for your seminar, and then there you go. I have research summary number 1, research summary number 2, assignment. You can change and edit the name of these pages by doing the same procedure. Once you do that, you can just post the assignment or reflection number 1 here in assignment. So you can post this assignment in one page and the other assignment in another page. And then you just copy that link and paste it over here. However, once you create it, so let me go to research summary number 2, you need to create a template over here. So you click add content, then you click template, and then you type assignment. Once you type it, you scroll down until you see sample assignment template. So you click it that box, you keep scrolling down again. Once you scroll down, you will see use this template, so you click it, and there you go. As you can see here, you have a template to post and upload assignments. So you just select every single thing here. You can ignore this box because you already have the instructions in Blackboard, so you need these instructions, not the instructions from the portfolio. So you select every single thing, you delete it, and then you answer and complete your assignment from Blackboard. So in this case, for research, summary number 1, you have the instructions over here. So you just complete every single thing and then you answer those questions over here. Once you complete it, you just copy this link and then you go back to Blackboard, you click it, and then you scroll down and write submission, you paste that link, and then you click submit. So for every single assignment, you need to create a new page and upload a new template. The template will always be the same, and that will be the completion for assignment number 5, which is taking the assessment test and completing the career choices 1, 2, and 3. Assignment number 6, you don't need to make any reflection, it's pretty simple. You need to upload your reflections from the previous classes in your assessment section of your ePortfolio. So in other words, I'm going to explain you. What you need to do is, if you go to Blackboard and you go to assignments, you already completed reflection number 1, not only in the ePortfolio, but you also posted that link in Blackboard. So where do you do it? Where do you did that assignment was over here in assignment. So you remember from the last class, you complete the reflection number 1 in this section, and once you do it, you copy the link and you paste it in Blackboard. But also you need to post it in the assessment tab from the ePortfolio, which I will show you how to do it. So you will go to home page, then you scroll down, and then you select LMF 101 lecture. So you click it, and then you will see these different tabs. So I need you to focus on assessment. So you will click it, and once you click it, I will show you how it's gonna look in your ePortfolio through a video. So you can see the video is pretty much the same, and I need you to listen the instructions of how to upload your reflection number 1 that you already did it in your ePortfolio, either in a Microsoft Word, and then you upload it in your ePortfolio, or you just type it. So take a look at this video.
After I do that, I will look for the assessment tab and click on it. In this area, you will notice that there is only one area where I need to complete assessment for. In this case, this is for an inquiry and problem solving assignment. In this video, I will show you first how to deposit a page from your ePortfolio, and then how to deposit a regular file so that you know how it works. Go ahead and click on Student Submission. In this page, you will be able to designate the specific section of your ePortfolio that you need to deposit for assessment. Make sure that ePortfolio it's highlighted, and then you will see a list of all of the ePortfolios in your account. Don't worry, you're not going to see that many as you can see in my screen. Just identify the ePortfolio that you need to choose something from and click on the arrow that points down. If you check the All section, that means that you're depositing the entire ePortfolio. Unless your professor has told you that, make sure that you're only choosing the sections that you need to deposit. In my case, I will go ahead and choose HUA 125. Scroll all the way down and click on Complete and Submit. You will now see the green bar that says Completed, and that means that you have deposited this particular section of your ePortfolio into the assessment. Let's now look into how you deposit a regular file into the assessment. I am back on the assessment page, and I will go ahead and click on Student Submission. This time I will navigate to the Upload Files area so that I can upload a regular file. By using the Browse button, I will be able to upload a regular Word document, a PDF, a spreadsheet, and by clicking on the Add Video button, I will be able to upload any standard format video file such as MP4 and AVI. And the video can be of up to 1 GB, so you can go ahead and follow the steps on this dialog box if you want to upload a video file. In this case, I want to show you how to upload a regular assignment. So I will go ahead and click on Browse, navigate and find my assignment, and as you can see, I will see it listed under the evidence added. I will scroll all the way down and click on complete and submit. And I will see the completed check mark, so that means that I have completed the assessment deposited for this particular course.
So as you can see here in this video, that's pretty much what you had to do for this assignment number 6. So you need to deposit the assignment, which is called reflection number 1, that you did it in your portfolio, and you upload a link as well in Blackboard. So you will need to do it again through the assessment page. So you can watch one more time this video by going to this website, or just pause this video and watch it one more time. And that's basically the assignment for number 6. For assignment number 7, we will do co-curricular planning. So you're gonna go to co-curricular planning page, you click it, and then you need to scroll down until you see resources, Center for Career, Campus Life, LaGuardia Honors Program, and Pi Theta Kappa. So what you need to do here for this assignment, you will need to make a reflection about any of these resources. Just pick one of them, or probably you want to pick 2 or 3 or all of them. You need to make a reflection about these resources. How can you do that? Just click any of them and just take a look at these pages. So in this case, I'm going to click, for example, LaGuardia Honors Program. So I'm going to open a new page, and you can just take a look at this page, look every single tab, as you can see here, learn about this program, about this resource, and then you make a reflection about it. What did you like it? What you didn't find it useful? Or how can you take the most of the program? How can you apply? If that can help you to transfer to a 4-year college, if that's your case. So discuss about any of these resources in one paragraph. The paragraph has to be between 150 and 200 words. Once you complete it, that will be the first activity or the first part of this reflection. This reflection has 2 parts. So as I said, the first reflection is going to be about any of these resources that you have. Just pick one, visit the website, and then discuss about it in one paragraph. Then the second paragraph is going to be for another reflection, and it's also in the same box. So I'm going to click the pen icon over here. So let's say that this first paragraph is for the first reflection about any of these resources. So now what about for the second paragraph? You're going to open a new page, a new Google page, then you go to LaGuardia website, then you click the first link. Once you're here, you're going to go to academics, and then departments and resources. Departments and resources, you click it. Once you're here, you're going to scroll down until you see a gray box, which is over here, key resources. So I'm going to need you to visit 3 websites. The first one is learning communities, then experiential learning, and finally student services. So remember these 3: learning communities, experiential learning, and student services. Don't go to degree maps, My LaGuardia, or programs. Once you visit these 3 websites, pick one of them and make a reflection about one of them. So as I said, just pick one and make a reflection. So let's say I pick experiential learning, so I go and visit this page. Then I take a look at this page by reading the about me, the types of experiential learning opportunities, and probably frequently asked questions. Once you read it, make a reflection in the second paragraph. So as I said, the first paragraph, it has to be related about the resources that you have here. In these 4 options that you have, just pick one and make a reflection. And in the second paragraph, you're gonna make a reflection about any of these 3 pages that I showed you at the beginning: learning communities, experiential learning, and student services. Once you complete those 2 reflections for this assignment, you just scroll up and then publish pages. For assignment number 8, we're gonna focus in time management. So you will go to coursework, first year seminar, and then time management. You click it, and once you click it, you see this page. So you're gonna scroll down until you see these 6 boxes. You will need to answer these questions with a yes or no just by clicking these boxes, and then you will have options. So for number 1, do you always seem to have more tasks than time to complete them? So I'm gonna click, in this case for me it's a yes, so I'm gonna click yes, and then I continue with the other 5 boxes. You need to complete every single box. If you do only 5 and you leave that 6th one incomplete, it will also be considered incomplete in the progress report. So you need to complete every single thing in this page. So then once you complete these 6 boxes, you scroll down and then you will see time management part 1 statement. So you're gonna click this pen icon, and then you will see 3 different questions that you will answer as a reflection in this box. What is time management? What happens when you are not practicing good time management skills? And how effectively are you using your 160 hours per week? So you will take your time to make a reflection based on these 3 questions. Don't answer every single question in one line. So you make 1 line for the first, and 1 line for the second one, and 1 line for the third questions. That is not gonna be considered as completed. You need to make a reflection at least between 150 and 200 words. Once you complete it, this reflection, we are gonna go to the time management part 2 reflection. But before we do this, I need to show you an Excel sheet that you need to complete before you do the reflection number 2. Because based on that Excel sheet, you're gonna answer questions over here. So now, what Excel sheet I'm talking about is this one. So I will show you first this empty Excel sheet where you will need to complete every single box by using these letters over here. So let's say that on Monday you have classes at 10 a.m. So I'm gonna type L for LaGuardia, and then I press enter. Then you continue having classes from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So I'm gonna keep typing L. And before 10 a.m. I can type T for traveling. Probably I took a train to go from my apartment to LaGuardia, and then before I took the train I was taking my meal. And there you go. And then you keep completing every single day from Monday to Sunday. You need to complete every single box. Once you complete it, as I showed you at the beginning, it will look something like this. You will see your weekly schedule, and based on this, you will also can post it in Blackboard. So once you finish this Excel sheet, what you need to do is go back to your ePortfolio, and here you can answer the reflection number 2. So you're gonna click the pen icon, and then you skip 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you go to number 5. In number 5, you will see 3 questions, and you are gonna answer these 3 questions based on your weekly schedule that we did in the Excel sheet, which is over here. So based on that Excel sheet, you will answer these 3 questions as a reflection, and as I said in the first reflection, don't write 1 sentence for each question. It has to be 150 words to 200 words. Once you complete the reflection number 1, reflection number 2, and the Excel sheet you need to upload it here. So how can you upload it? So once you finish reflection number 2, you're gonna click the plus icon and then scroll down, and then you will see upload file. Select files to upload. And as you can see here, I already select the file. So I'm gonna click upload. And then you wait probably 1 minute until you see your weekly schedule. You need to wait before you publish it, don't rush up and publish it. So now as you can see, it shows me my weekly schedule. So that is gonna be the assignment number 8. Remember, you answer the 6 questions, not 5, not 4. You answer the 6 questions with a yes or no. Then you make the reflection number 1 by answering the 3 questions. You answer the reflection number 2 based on this Excel sheet. So you need the Excel sheet before you do reflection number 2. And once you have uploaded the Excel sheet, you click the 3 horizontal lines, publish pages, and then publish. And there you go. As you can see, now it's published. And that will be the completion of this assignment.